Today, we're going to walk through installing Comstar IPTV on your Firestick. Let's get right to it.
So what exactly is Comstar IPTV? It's a huge streaming service with tons of channels and movies.
Here's the game plan. We'll prep your device, grab an app, install Comstar, and talk safety.
All right, first things first, we need to get your Firestick ready. This part's super important.
From the home screen, pop into Settings, then click on My Fire TV and find Developer Options.
Now you're going to flip on two settings, ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources.
You get a little warning box, no worries, just go ahead and click Turn On.
Okay, part 2. Now we need a special tool called the Downloader app to get Comstar.
Head back to your home screen, go over to the Find menu, and then click on Search.
Just type Downloader, find that bright orange icon and hit the download button to install it.
Once it's done, open it up. It's going to ask for permission, so just make sure you click Allow.
All right, with Downloader ready, it's time for the main event, installing Comstar IPTV. We're almost done.
In the search bar, you need to type this web address exactly as it's shown here. Then hit Go.
The file will start downloading. When it's finished, a new screen will pop right up. Just click Install.
And just like that, it's installed. You can go ahead and click Open. You are all set.
But hold on. Before you start watching, we need to cover one last really important thing about privacy.
So you have to ask yourself, is what you're watching online actually private?
That's where a VPN comes in handy. It can hide your activity and even get you past location blocks.
So there you have it. Comstar IPTV is on your Firestick and you're ready to explore.
You're all set up to start streaming, but the big question remains, are you doing it securely?